The MicroLux variable speed mini tilt arbor table saw is more powerful, more accurate, and smoother running than any other saw its size, and it's the world's first variable speed table saw, so it will cut metal and plastic, as well as wood. This is, without a doubt, the most feature-packed power tool of its kind. The MicroLux Mini Tilt Arbor Table Saw Super Value Package is a versatile mini woodworking and metal cutting workstation like no other. Package includes 40-tooth carbide tipped saw blade for cutting soft wood, plywood, and hardwood up to 1 inch thick. Aluminum oxide abrasive disc, which is ideal for cutting steel, cast iron, and other ferrous metals. Featherboard and fence for making safe, accurate cuts, and for mounting other attachments. Taper jig for making precise angled cuts on the long edges of your workpieces. Combination angle setter and protractor for quick, accurate measuring and marking of workpieces. Set of 4 blank blade plates, used to eliminate blade gap when cutting ultra-thin strips of material. Ripping gauges enable precision adjustment of the ripped fence for accurate, consistent cuts. The MicroLux Mini Tilt Arbor Table Saw Super Value Package is a Micromark exclusive,